Hello and welcome to another exciting video. Before we get started, if you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss any of our upcoming content. And to all our returning viewers, thank you for your continued support. Your likes, comments, and shares mean the world to us.
Sublimation ink is a type of ink used in the sublimation printing process. It's designed to be used on polyester fabrics, ceramics, and other specially coated materials. Unlike traditional inks that sit on top of the material, sublimation ink actually becomes a part of the material's surface. This allows for vibrant, long-lasting, and high-definition prints. One of the key benefits of sublimation ink is its ability to produce photo-quality prints, with smooth gradients and sharp details. The ink is made up of tiny particles that are heated until they turn into a gas, allowing them to penetrate the material's surface. Because of this, sublimation prints are more durable and resistant to fading, as the ink is embedded into the material. Sublimation ink is also known for its excellent color saturation and wide color gamut, resulting in vibrant and lifelike prints. When using sublimation ink, it is crucial to pair it with the appropriate materials and equipment. You will need a sublimation printer that is compatible with the ink and a heat press to transfer the design onto the material. It's important to note that sublimation ink can only be used on materials that have a special coating to absorb the ink. These coatings are typically found on polyester fabrics, ceramic mugs, aluminum panels, and other sublimation-friendly surfaces. Sublimation ink is not suitable for printing on regular paper, as the ink will not adhere or produce the desired effect. To get the best results, it's essential to follow the recommended printing settings and instructions provided by the ink manufacturer. In terms of maintenance, sublimation printers often require regular cleaning and maintenance to ensure optimal printing performance. When storing sublimation ink, it's important to keep it in a cool and dry place, away from direct sunlight or extreme heat. Sublimation ink can be a great option for businesses and individuals looking to create custom products, such as personalized clothing, promotional items, and more. It offers versatility and high-quality prints that are durable and long-lasting. Overall, sublimation ink is a powerful tool for creating unique and vibrant prints on a range of specially coated materials. By understanding its characteristics and proper usage, you can unleash its full potential. Remember, this channel is for you, and your feedback and suggestions mean the world to me. So, please, drop your thoughts and ideas in the comments below. I love hearing from you and engaging in meaningful conversations. Thank you for watching.